Hey everyone, Tom here from MaxHousePrice, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to get a virtual estimate from us where we pay for, manage, and complete renovations to net you or your clients more money at sale. So the very first step is with your preferred smart device, take a video of your home or your client's home, and you'll notice on our instructions we have some tips that will help along with that process of what you should record. And then once you've recorded that video, it's very simple. Follow the link on our virtual estimate instructions. And on this link, all you will need to do is just click on the link. It's going to open up a window that asks you to open this link. So select the open button, and then in your browser window, it will open a place where you can upload files directly to us into our Dropbox account. You don't need to have a Dropbox account to do this, so select Choose Files at the bottom, and you can go directly to your photo library. And when you go to your photo library, just go to where the video that you've taken of your home that you want to upload to us, enter in your first name and last name, submit your email address in here below so that we know where it came from, and then just simply press the upload button. Now this will give you the progress to see if it's uploaded. You would recommend that you would be on Wi-Fi. If it's going slow on your phone, it may be better to do this on desktop if you're able to transfer the video to your desktop or your laptop, and then just make sure you see that done box come open. Now on to step 3. Send us an email to info@maxhouseprice.com with the plan of renovations and repairs that you think are needed, and then we will review those video and pictures and the email that you've sent. And then step 4, we'll reach out to you after we've reviewed everything to schedule a Zoom call where we can review together and go over everything and go over a proposal and a line-by-line estimate. And then step 5, our contractor will perform an on-site visit to confirm the repairs and recommendations prior to starting. So if you have any questions, or if you're like, hey, I just want you guys to come out, no problem, call us or text us at 703-215-2144, or feel free to visit us online at maxhouseprice.com, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks so much.